Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with this Scott paper towel and Scott paper toilet paper deal. You're gonna love this deal. I went ahead and I did this purchase at Walgreens. The $5 Scott paper towels and toilet paper are still available. You could also do it on the Kleenex. If you have the Kleenex at your store and you want to buy Kleenex, make sure you pick up the ones that are $5, as you can see there. I picked up the 6 equals 7 and the 12 big rolls for Scott toilet paper. I used the $1.25 coupon from this book. This coupon book or IVC booklet is available in store. And here is the coupon. As you can see there, $1.25 on each. It includes Scott paper towels, Scott toilet paper, and Kleenex products. Make sure you give this to the cashier so they can scan it. You could keep the booklet. This is yours, excuse me. This is yours to keep. Just give it to them so they can scan it. And you get $1.25 on each of your products that you pick up. Okay, so make sure that you're picking up the amount that you want. Let me go ahead and fix this tripod. I just got it, so it moves a bit. Let me go ahead and fix it so it stops moving all around and that'll make you all dizzy. So pick up the ones that you need, for your household. Like I always say, I only pick up what I need for my household. I do shop for 3 households, so I'm picking up all of these products are going to be divided amongst 3 households. So that's basically what I need to say here. So you don't think that I'm clearing the shelves. There's plenty more in the store. So there's a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens app for the Scott paper towels. $1 off coupon for the Scott toilet paper, and it qualifies for either of those as long as it's a 6-pack or larger, and I picked up the 12-pack, so it does qualify for these here. $1 off since they're 12. There's a $1 off or a $1 cash back on the coupons.com app, $1 back on coupons.com. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that for the Scott paper towel. And there's a $1 coupon or a $1 cash back on the coupons.com app for the Scott toilet paper. So make sure you clip all of those coupons. We're going to be getting $4 total discount. Here is the math. Let's go ahead and do the math. $20 for 4 products. Well, actually, I picked up 5 because I had a booster, spend 20, get 5 that I used here. So I had a booster. If you have that, you could do it that way. You could get 5 and you'll still be able to get the $5 back in booster. You have to pay cash or credit. So $25 minus, we had $1.25 times 5 times, right? 125 minus 125 minus 125 minus 125 minus 125. That's a total of $18.75 for 5 products. So I have 3 toilet papers and 2 Scott paper towels. $18.75, $2 off from the Walgreens app, and $2 off or $2 cash back from coupons.com app. My grand total is $14.75 for 6 products divided by 6. My total is $2.48 per pack. That's half off of their regular price. So it's a pretty good deal. It's a run deal. At $2.48, you're getting half off of the sale price. You could pick up only 2 if you want. You could pick up a toilet paper and a paper towel if you want, or if you don't have coupons, get the toothpaste or get the Eucerin products and get some money back from those, and then submit this coupon here, so you're able to use or able to save $1.25 on each of those paper products. So make sure you use it on those, or Kleenex. Also, remember, Kleenex also qualifies. Don't forget to leave me those thumbs up so we can help more people save their money. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, we have our early activation video coming up on Saturday morning. Don't miss out. I'll see you guys. Bye.